Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about the beautiful calla. They are so long-lasting, so fabulous, but sometimes you want to have a nice curvature, or they're curving the wrong direction to show off their face. When you want to manipulate a calla, you need to start by letting them just sit at room temperature. Letting them sit, they slightly dehydrate and become much more malleable. So after they've sat, which I let these sit overnight, so they've been sitting for more than 12 hours, then taking your hands and just softly massage. You can get them to drape and curve. Then when you have the drape you want, give it a cut, set it in water, and let it rehydrate. It will hold the curve and last and last. It doesn't shorten in life. It just gives them that beautiful curve you crave in your designs. Now you know how the pros do it.